Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all my friends are doing great and enjoying their lives. So my friends, I'm here with a new video and I'm sure this video is going to be loved by all of my friends. It is about crochet cardigans and very beautiful and almost everyone's favorite crochet granny scare cardigans. And granny scare is a pattern that is loved by almost everyone, and it is especially so popular among the women because it is having a flowery kind of a pattern and women are in love with this pattern. Almost every woman loves to wear something that is in a granny scare pattern. It is not only about cardigans that the granny scare pattern is loved and liked by the people. It is all about so many other things. For example, people love to make granny scare blankets, granny scare dresses, granny scare, and so many other things. And it's about making some kind of flowers and just then making them bigger ones and then arranging them together and having some beautiful color combinations. Most of the things come in rainbow like of colors and so many other things. And in short, we can say it is so loved. You can see in the pictures these things are so beautiful. And when we talk about wearing cardigans, it is such a lovely thing because whatever you are wearing as your lower dress, it is upon the cardigan that your look would be changed in a different way and you would be looking entirely different one, and the look would be totally different as well as stylish because the cardigan adds to your uniqueness and your style as well as your beauty. Sometimes it happens that you are going somewhere, you are in a hurry and you do not have enough time to press the clothes or to go for the some matching things and to just spend some time thinking about what to wear and which items to select for the event or anything like that. You are in a hurry, in short, and you have to look your best and you have to look stylish, modern, elegant without wasting time, without spending time on thinking what to wear, without actually searching for the things that are good. And sometime it also happens that you are invited by anyone and you have to go there and you do not have something so expensive or designer wear or so other things that you always think that you must have some designer wears to look pretty. And this is just, I think these are illusions to me. I don't think these are realities or something like that because it is not about brands, it is not about expensive things, it is not about these things that you have to prepare such things. Only thing is that you must have a thing that looks elegant, that looks stylish, that is trendy, that is in fashion. And this is all about your quality of your thing must be good because low quality things don't go. For example, you can say these are not lasting things that have a poor quality. They actually go away with the passage of time and do not long last. So the quality, the neatness, the uniqueness and hard work actually can let you make the things by your own without wasting some money in a low budgeted way. You can use some yarn that is at your home or some, even you can use some a few colors of leftover yarn. For example, you are having some leftover yarn at your home and you can just use that yarn to make a beautiful cardigan. And whenever you are in a hurry and you want to go somewhere and you are wearing a, for example, you are wearing a t-shirt and a jeans and you have to go in a quick 5 minutes getting ready way, then you would be putting a beautiful cardigan over your dress and you are ready to go. It is all about cardigans that they add a uniqueness to you. For example, there are so many designs on your screens and I am sure these are giving you ideas how to look stylish. Look at this lady, she's just wearing a plain gray colored lower shirt and upper cardigan is making her look so stylish and a model look. Actually, you can also get these kind of model looks by just having cardigans and wearing them in a stylish way. Yes, let me give you one tip that if you are having some dark color dress. If you are having some dark color dress and you want your cardigan to look prominent and to look more stylish, then you must go with the light colors on the dark colors. And if there is something like you are wearing some light colors, for example, you are wearing a white colored lower dress like white t-shirt and blue jeans, etc., then with white color, if you wear some dark colored cardigan, it would go prominent and it would look more stylish, because when we wear the things in contrast, keeping in mind the light and dark contrast, it makes the things prominent, and actually we become center of attraction while wearing these kind of thing. Because when we wear the things in the same shades, in the same color schemes, they don't look prominent. For example, if someone is wearing a black colored lower t-shirt and wears the same black colored cardigan over the black t-shirt, it would not look prominent, because the black cardigan and the black t-shirt would be matched, and nothing will be more prominent. Because you can have a sense of this, that if we want to make the things prominent, we have to actually put the things in background. For example, a photographer wants to do a good shoot, and he would surely be putting some kind of dark background in order to make the things brighter in the front. And there is also an example that if you put the black color in the background, the white in the front would be more prominent. So it's all about the things, that what are you doing to make the things prominent. So go for the dark colors with light lower dresses, and go for the lighter color cardigans if you are wearing some dark colored lower t-shirts or dresses or jeans. So cardigans are going to give you entirely different looks in so stylish manner, and I hope you are loving these cardigans, because these are stylish. And nowadays everyone is at holidays during the lockdown period. You have nothing to do, all the activities are actually closed and everyone is staying at home, and the people especially who are crochet addicts, it is the best time for them to take the ideas from this video and make cardigans for themselves, for their family members, for their grandparents if they have, and for their friends to gift. And even it is not that you have to gift it at once to someone. You can make these things and keep these things for the upcoming events, for the future events. For example, you can even make these cardigans to give someone on Christmas Day or any upcoming event. For example, one of your friends is getting married and you are planning to gift her something very beautiful, and if you make that gift by your own hands, I am sure that would be the most precious gift in the earth. Because things are not about wealth, things are not about being expensive. It is not that you are spending so much money, then it is all about your sincerity. The thing that matters is your sincerity, is your actually faithfulness, your well wishes for someone, your good nature, and the way you deal the other person. And whenever we spend our time in doing something for the next person, it is the best thing upon the planet, because time is the most precious thing. Wealth is nothing. Wealth is nothing for me. It goes away, it flows away, it actually flies away, it dissipates like snowflakes in the air. It never stays with someone. The only thing that stays is good deeds, to be positive, the happiness that you have been spreading, the things that you are sharing with others in a positive manner, the help that you are doing to others, the good things that you are doing to others are going to stay forever. And if you are trying to make something for others, it would be your hard work. You would be using your precious time to gift that thing to that person, and I'm sure that person would be valuing that gift, because it is about your sincerity, it is about your emotions, it is about your feelings for that person, your devotion and all the things. So I hope you are getting ideas from these things. I request you, if you are liking this video, please hit like, and please let me know if you are trying to find something else, and maybe I am helping you to bring something. after lockdown I would surely be bringing some patterns for all my friends. I hope you would like. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for the updates. Take care of yourselves and your families.